she started a cultural revolution of unprecedented worldwide extent. Has become a worldwide cultural revolution. Absolutely unprecedented. There's never been anything like it before. Penetrating the Arab countries, which was really a